My refrigerator's broken. I have watery ice.
When your refrigerator is broken and your food is going bad, you need expert local same-day service fast. In Fontana Etiwanda, call American Appliance Repair at 909-689-6149 for emergency refrigerator service. Since 1975, American's expert appliance technicians have been providing quality local service on Subzero Viking, Wolf KitchenAid, Jenn Air Maytag, Whirlpool Kenmore, GE Hotpoint, Frigidaire Amana, Scotsman U-lLine, Roper Tappan, and most other brands and appliances. American Appliance techs carry factory parts to get your refrigerator repaired fast in the same day. Plus, it's a free service call if we do the repair. Call American Appliance Repair at 909-689-6149 to schedule an appliance technician to come out and repair your refrigerator. Serving the local area for over 30 years. In Fontana Etiwanda, call American Appliance Repair at 909-689-6149 for emergency refrigerator service.